or in public.
Main duty ng organization. Okay? Sino ba? Halika.
Police training, for me, public safety is done with different uniform personnel in order to safeguard lives and properties for peace and order.
Safeguard and property. Okay, sino ba? Okay, halika. Safeguard and property.
From the word public safety, sir, it pertains to the assurance to the public to ensure their safety, including the number one mission is to protect the life and property, including the rights of every individual, sir.
Protect the lives and protect the property and lives. Okay? Anyone? Sino ba? Okay? Okay, sige. Public safety. Okay. Everybody on your feet. Alam ko naman na pagod na pagod yun, di ba? Jump left! Jump left! Jump right! Sigaw! Jump left! Hay! Jump right! Hay! Jump left! On your... Okay, take seat.